Massachusetts.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, when I was home in Massachusetts this weekend, I constantly had people coming up to me asking me about the secret Republican health care bill. What was in it? How was it going to affect their families? Because, to use Donald Trump's word, they're afraid that it's going to increase premiums, and that would be mean, that it's going to make it possible for insurers to deny coverage for pre-existing conditions, and that would be mean, that it would create an age tax for older Americans. That would be mean, that it would cut Medicaid coverage for grandma and grandpa to get a nursing home bed if they had Alzheimer's. That would be mean. And so the question that kept coming to me all weekend, recurring, was, is this secret bill really meant to cut all of the funding that goes for the poor, the sick, the elderly, the disabled, so they can give tax breaks to the wealthiest people in America? Can we get that out so that people can see that? And they also said to me that they didn't want to be fooled, because their fear is that Trumpcare is as much a health care bill as Trump University, a college institution, and that there really isn't any real health care in it, and that it's cruel, it's inhumane, and it's immoral. So we're demanding that the Republicans show us the bill, that the American public can see, the American people can see the bill, and they can understand what's in it, because the consequences for their family's health is so dramatic. And so as a result, I ask unanimous consent, Mr. President, that the calendar 120, H.R. 1628, the American Health Care Act, be referred jointly to the Committee on Finance and the Committee on Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions, with instructions to report the bill with changes to eliminate provisions that, 1, increase health insurance costs, 2, reduce coverage, 3, make health care less affordable for those with pre-existing conditions, and 4, reduce tax liabilities for corporations and individuals with incomes over $1 million. I ask unanimous consent, Mr. President, that that motion be put in order.
Is there objection?
Objection.
Objection is heard.